In this video, we want to fix some things. First, we are going to fix this temperature right here. You can see instead of returning the temperature in Celsius, it is returning the temperature in Kelvin because we did not specify the units for the forecast URL. Then we are going to move these items right here, add padding left, so they are going to align with what we have right here. So let's first of all add for this Ion cards. So inside my home.html, I'm going to add the class call_Ion. So add the class call_Ion to the other Ion call with column size of 6. So I'm going to add it to all of these. So you can do the same. Then after doing that, we'll go to the SCSS file to add the CSS style. It's going to be just a simple CSS with padding left. So I've added the class call_Ion. Inside my home.scss file, I'll add card-ion, card-list, then call_Ion. So the style I want to add and the property is padding left. I'll set it to about 50 pixels and add this important, so it's going to override every other padding left property. So for this Ion call that we have, add the class call_Ion, then add the CSS style or property to it. I'll save now, go back here. So if I scroll down, right now it's looking much more better, like it's almost aligned with what I have here. So if you want, you can set the float to be left or right. So what I can do is I can set the test align property to right. So it's going to have a test align property of right. So right here, I'll just set test align right, and I'll save, go back. So we're going to see the change. Now you can see that the test align property or the test align of the elements are starting from the right. Now this looks much more better. Now what we are going to do next is to add the units to this forecast endpoint, so that it's going to return the temperature in Celsius rather than returning the temperature in Kelvin. Because if you don't specify any units to the endpoint, Open Weather Map will return the temperature always in Kelvin. So I'll go into the providers, which is weather provider. Then right here inside the search city, I'm going to look for the units so I can add it, and also here for current weather. Under the forecasts, I'll add ampersand units equal to metric. And you can see I have it here for the current weather data. I'll do the same right here. Ampersand units equal to metric. I'll save. Now if I save, we are still going to see the same information. The reason is because we already saved the data, but fortunately for me, it overwrote what I already have inside my local storage. So right now you can see it's displaying the information in Celsius. The temperatures are being displayed in Celsius, and this is what we want. So if I add another city, then I hit enter. Now you can see that the temperature is displayed in Celsius, and this is what we want. I can decide to delete, take this out, and I have this being displayed.